you got a high vis I can borrow?
What are you doing?
I need a high vis.
For what?
It's come in your pocket. It says you need a high vis.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
Asking for a high vis. He said come in here because I need to sign in.
What are you here for, so if you don't mind me
Well,
asking?
first of all, I wanted to know if he'd lend me an high vis because I'm a truck spotter and I've seen Eddie Stobart there, and I wonder if I can get some video. I'm recording, by the way, because I don't want the police to say I've been unlawful. Right, welcome. Let's see how welcome I am. Opening hours, Monday to Friday, 0600 to 22:30 at night, Monday to Friday. Well, it's Tuesday. No, the gate's locked. Well, it's shut, should I say? And they have CCTV in operation. Look at these trucks. Eddie Stobart, that says, doesn't it? A famous trucker. Did I ever tell you I was a truck spotter? Let's have a look. Yeah, SK244. That's the chassis number, I think. Yeah. There's a distinctive green and black down the front there on that cab. I wonder if I can get in. This is high visibility jackets must be worn at all times. Oh, right, okay, well, I haven't got a high vis on, so I may have to... Excuse me! Excuse me! We got a high vis I can borrow? Go underneath? Are you sure? You won't call the police? Okay. Oh, whoa. That was weird. So this is Scania Sheffield. He said go underneath. Oh look, a air truck. Wow, and a red one. Have you got a high vis I can borrow?
What are you doing?
I need a high vis.
For what?
It's come in your pocket. It says you need a high vis.
Yeah, but what are you doing?
Asking for a high vis.
Yeah, but what are you doing with that?
Oh, just recording my interaction, so it's all lawful. You know what I mean?
It's what?
Lawful.
What's it for?
Sorry?
What's it for?
It's to make sure that my conduct is lawful. You know, that I don't get into trouble with the police.
What are you doing, bro?
Sorry?
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
Well, I was hoping to get a high vis and get some pictures of some of your wagons, because I'm a wagon spotter.
Oh.
So I'm just keeping it recording to show that I'm lawful. Have you got a high vis?
If you just do reception, mate, and sign in, they'll sort you on out.
Oh, great stuff. You don't sell them here then, do you not?
What, I visit?
No, the wagons.
We do, but we ain't got many in a minute.
If I had a licence, could I take a test drive in one?
No.
Well, how very welcoming. All right. He said, come in here. Hello there. He said, come in here because I need to sign in.
What are you here for, so if you don't mind me
Well,
asking?
first of all, I wanted to know if he'd lend me an high vis because I'm a truck spotter and I've seen Eddie Stobart there, and I wonder if I can get some video. I'm recording, by the way, because I don't want the police to say I've been unlawful. Yeah, you know.
Yeah, you want an RV, do you?
Do I need one?
Your best off, to be fair, yes.
Oh, great stuff.
Bear with 1 second.
Wow, I did not expect this. Oh, great stuff. Thank you very much. Hey. So, where can I go and where can I not go?
Go anywhere as long as you keep your IVs on.
Yeah.
How long are you planning on being here?
Oh, 3 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right, no problem, sir.
Right, let's go for the red one first. I like red ones. Let's see what this red truck's about, shall we? I haven't got a license to drive one of these. I wonder if I could get one cheap off eBay. Some of these wagon drivers, you know, they look like they got the licenses off eBay. I don't know whether you'd agree. Now then, take a look at this. I felt like Jeremy Clarkson then. A 69 plate. I bet that's got air conditioning, television, bed. Yeah, I could do with bed right now. Look at that. Oh, that's what it's like behind one of these. Look at the size of that engine. It's got an oil leak. Ah, that, someone's had a piss on it. That's what mine looks like when it's getting hot. Oh, look at all that grease. Ah, so they grease it up every time. I grease mine up every time when I use it as well. So this is the AA. Don't know much about AA, but that's a big gab. It's like a fire engine, isn't it? So if anyone's never seen the back of an AA truck, this is what it looks like before you get a car on it. Here's another one. All greased up, ready for the trail. I think they call that a fifth wheel. Now I don't know why they call it a wheel, because it doesn't turn. And it doesn't shape like a wheel, is it? But I do think they call that a fifth wheel. Oh, look what's happened. Oh, what a shame. Anybody who's into Eddie Stobart, this is Roisin Mary. It's had a bit of a nick. Oh, it's in for repair, look at that. Well, that didn't hit a car, did it? It's too high up. Oh, no problem. So there we go. Let's get this nice shot for the store-bought people out there. Anybody who likes store-bought wagons? This is Roisin Mary, I believe. I don't know how you pronounce that. Roisin Mary. And unfortunately, it's in for repair. Cracked windscreen and dented roof, smashed windows, mirrors, mudguard out of place. It's all right on this side. Should be an easy repair, I reckon. Some pretty trucks knocking about, like black and silver with red on. It's almost like a custom car. Oh, it's a 21 plate. Yeah, it's a brand new one. That's ready to go out. Wow, look at that. That's been in the wars, as they say. Looks like the AA in Alcoholics Anonymous is about to drive out. Ah, look at this. Body repair shop. You think you can do anything with my body? Think you can repair it? It's a bit knackered. And here comes a wagon. I was just saying, this is the body shop, isn't it? You think you can do anything with my body? It's a bit knackered.
I know, it'd be nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, you don't fancy it as it is, do you? Thank you for your time, sir. So, I've got my high vis. Brilliant. Whoa. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, I've got everything I need.
Good.
Brilliant. You have a nice time. Do you sell wagons, did you say?
Do we sell them?
Yeah.
Yes, we do sell them, but there you go, sir. Yes, we do sell them, but you have to order them in advance, if you know what I mean. It's one of them, because there's that many different makes and models, when you order them, they then build them, so it might be 9 months to a year.
It's like a birth of a baby then, isn't it?
It is, yes, it is, unfortunately. All right.
Cheers, thanks.
Have a good time. Stay safe. Ta-ra, bye-bye.
Cheers, mate. I managed to get an Ivies. I got you driving on record as well, it's quite good that.
Right.
Look after yourself.
Yeah, pal.
Open sesame. Open sesame. Is there anybody to speak to? I'm a Royal Mail van spotter.